Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to mention some possible reasons behind why you are temporarily blocked from sending messages on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end. This is just a quick video tutorial. So, for a deeper dive into the topic and to access additional information about temporarily blocked from sending messages on Messenger that we couldn't cover in this video, please check out our comprehensive blog post on techyonow.com. We've shared related information there. Plus, techyonow.com offers thousands of other tutorials on various subjects. Have you ever been temporarily blocked from sending messages on Messenger? Have you ever wondered the reasons behind it? There are a few reasons why you might be temporarily blocked from sending messages on Messenger. First reason is, you may have sent too many messages to the same person or group in a short period of time. Messenger has a limit on how many messages you can send to someone in a day. If you exceed this limit, you may be temporarily blocked from sending messages to that person or group. Second reason is, you may have sent messages that violate Messenger's community standards. It is mentioned clearly that if any user is found in violation of the community standard using Messenger, their account will be suspended. If they are found involved in promoting illegal activities, taking criminal action, or performing fraud, sending spam or offensive content, Messenger will block them. Another reason is, you may continuously send messages to the people who are not your friends. If you exceed the limit of sending messages to random people, this reason may cause your account to be temporarily blocked. This means that you are not able to send message requests at this time. So, don't send too many message requests to the same person or group in a short period of time. Next reason is, if you are reported by other people on Messenger, you may be temporarily blocked from sending messages. This is because Messenger has a system in place to detect and prevent spam and abusive behavior. Sometimes, technical issues can cause you to be temporarily blocked from sending messages on Messenger that is not related to your behavior. One example is, if you are having a problem with your internet connection or your Messenger app, you may not be able to send messages. Hope this video was helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.